In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix slow downloads here in Microsoft Edge. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and click the three dots up in the top right corner of Microsoft Edge and scroll down on this page until you see this settings tab. Select that to go into your Microsoft Edge settings. On this left sidebar over here, go ahead and find the privacy, search, and services tab and open that up, and you're going to see a security tab from within here. Open up that security tab and you're going to see a bunch of different options. What you're going to want to do is actually find the use secure DNS option right here and then select choose a service provider within here. Now what you're going to want to do is select this enter custom provider and choose a provider like Cloudflare up at the very top or Google DNS down towards the bottom for faster speeds. Now from here, go ahead and open up a new tab and type in edge : and then flags, just like so. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. In this search bar up at the very top, go ahead and type in parallel, and you're going to see a parallel downloading section right here. Make sure that you do have this on enabled instead of default, and it's going to significantly speed up your download speeds. If you are still having issues though, try power cycling your router by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. You can also move closer to your router or switch to a wired connection for more stability, but that's it. You should now see faster downloads here in Microsoft Edge. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single one down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.